Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a tiny powerhouse of nutrition on the spotlight: chia seeds. These little seeds may be small, but their health benefits are anything but. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand why chia seeds should definitely be a part of your diet. Introduction to chia seeds. Let's start by introducing these incredible seeds. Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds that pack a nutritional punch. They are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and various essential vitamins and minerals. Nutritional powerhouse. Now, let's dive into why chia seeds are considered a nutritional powerhouse. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, which aids in digestion, keeps you full, and supports heart health. They're also one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, promoting brain and heart health. Don't forget the protein content, which is excellent for muscle repair and growth. Weight management. One of the most popular benefits: weight management with chia seeds. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, creating a gel-like consistency. When you consume them, this gel helps you feel full, reducing overall food intake and aiding in weight management. Heart health. Let's talk about how chia seeds benefit your heart. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering bad cholesterol levels and promoting a healthy heart rhythm. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds can also assist in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Due to their high fiber content, chia seeds can slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, which is great news for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Skin health. Yes, chia seeds can even help your skin glow. The antioxidants in chia seeds combat free radicals, keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. How to incorporate chia seeds. Now that you know the benefits, how can you include chia seeds in your diet? Chia seeds are incredibly versatile. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, add them to your smoothies, or mix them into oatmeal. The possibilities are endless. Wrapping up. So, there you have it, folks, the incredible health benefits of chia seeds. From weight management to heart health and radiant skin, chia seeds are truly a superfood that deserves a spot in your kitchen. If you found this video informative and inspiring, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic health tips. Always, stay healthy, stay happy.